What's up, everyone? So, we are redoing the tutorial for playing FireRed Kaizo Ironmon because there are a lot of new things. I have been getting some comments in the last tutorial that some people were having trouble. So I tried, I reinstalled everything, and yeah, there were some troubles. So to fix them all, check this video. And if you didn't check that one and you are new on this one, don't worry, I will take you by the hand and we will do everything. So what's the first step? First step is to get SHA-64 installed. You will need this to play any games. So for sure you need to get it. You get the 64-bit, that's what you need. So click on it, you will start the download. When it's done, execute it and you are good to go. I have it installed already, so we won't be downloading that one. Then next, the prerequisites for the emulator. I use BitHub. I think it's the best for this challenge. So yeah, click on here. It will start downloading the zip file. So I'm gonna go with you in this one so you can show you. You will open it. Thank you, WinRAR. We will buy you someday. So it's an application, so you will click on it. You will install a few things. You press OK. I haven't installed it, but you can see install it again, it doesn't do anything wrong. So just in case, maybe you have installed it, maybe not, same as Java, just install it again. It's not gonna delete anything. So we are waiting a few seconds for it to finish, while my cat comes and says hi. Hello, Luke. Luke is my cat, so he comes and says hello. So yeah, it's gonna take just a few seconds. There we go, almost done. Last seconds. This is always something tutorial, right? You want to make it quick. There we go. Now we have it done already. You can delete that file as soon as you're done. You don't need it anymore. Okay, next step, the emulator. We are going fast today. We are going fast. For Windows or for Linux, choose any of both. Of course, if you have Windows, choose Windows. So yeah, same as the last one. Press here, download. I have it installed already. Last time I did install it, but right now I have a run going. So if I install it now, it will remove that file I have going. So that's why I'm not installing today. But just extract somewhere, put a new folder saying BitHub, and inside of there, click on. I'm gonna show you. Give me a second. Here is everything. You have to go click on EmuHawk, and that will open the emulator. We'll go over it in a little bit. So that's the first part. The emulator is now ready. Okay, guys, next part. Now we are gonna download the randomizer and the tracker. Of course, all these links will be on the description, so don't worry. All will be there. All are also available in the Discord community for Pokemon Ironmon. I will leave the link as well in the description. Everything will be there, so don't worry. We are gonna go in the randomizer as well. Download the zip. This time I'm gonna do it with you guys. It's super quick. Finish downloading. There we go. We open. Select everything. Thank you, WinRAR. Someday we will buy. We are gonna click on extract in the specified folder. I like to name it first on desktop, new folder, and we're gonna say randomizer. There we go. There we go. We now have the randomizer downloaded and ready to go. And the next step is to download the tracker. This as well. Thank you, everyone. Thank you for the contributors. So, you can click here. It's another zip file. Super quick. So we finish downloading. When it's done, we just click. It opens. Same as last time. Extract on the specified folder. So always I recommend on desktop. New folder, Ironmon tracker. There we go. We have a couple seconds to finish. So that's one of the last downloads. There's only 2 more downloads. First, you have to get a ROM for FireRed version 1.1 on English. It usually says FireRed 1.1 entre paréntesis U. It's gonna say U. So that file I can give it to you. You have to get a legal file. You have to get a legal file. We are legal, Nintendo. This is everything of this is legal, okay? So yeah, go get a file from FireRed. It has to be the version 1.1. That's the version you need. Okay, we continue. Now that you have the that file, we're gonna go to patch. This, of course, it will be on the description. As you can see, you need FireRed 1.1, and you have to download this faster FireRed 1.2. This will start the download. I have it downloaded already, and then we go to the ROM patcher. We'll select a clean file from FireRed version 1.1. Sorry guys, there you go, FireRed version 1.1, and here in patch file we'll select the one that we should download, FireRed 1.2 faster FireRed, and we will press on apply patch. You will get a new file called FireRed patched.gba. The next step, we will go to the patch editor. We will download this. We need to download this. This is for skipping the starting text and have your character name for you. So it's a super quick download. I'm gonna press this. Windows doesn't like you, so press there and execute anyway. Now we will load the ROM. Is this one? Now we should see it. As you can see, we will press on skip, so we don't get the first step, the first tag from Oak. You can choose your sender here. Step items always, and here you will say our name is Mas and our rival name is Chat. When we are done, we're gonna go here, file, save, and that will save in that ROM we choose it. This will be saved with this patch. So this is the faster way we can start. And now you have it. Now you have a fully usable FireRed patch ROM. This is the best patch you can get. So let's go for the next part. We are gonna randomize. Okay guys, we are almost ready. We are gonna click. This is what we downloaded, these three folders. So we will go to Randomizer, Launcher for Windows, and we will get the Sim32, Sim8.x, and here is the main page. So what we will do, we're gonna open the ROM that we downloaded. Give me a second. Downloads, dispatched. There we go. This will say that it might be a problem because it's not an official ROM. What you get is this says FireRed U 1.1. As long as it says that, perfect. Now, next step. This has changed from the last time. You will click on settings, get load settings string, and in the link I gave you, I will also give this this particular string. You will copy it from either here or from the video description. You will paste this here. You will click on load. As you can say, it's saved now. You will click on save, so you don't have to do that anymore. Let's say we're gonna name it FireRed Kaizo. I'm gonna save it. And now for the last part, we're gonna go click on settings, batch randomization, enable. We're gonna click on 1, and we're gonna do just for this one. We're gonna do 25, but you have to do, I don't know, just a good number to start. 400. Start with 400. Generate log files, and now we will click on output directory on desktop. We're gonna click on plus. We're gonna say FireRed files. There we go. We'll select that as our main directory. Click on OK, and now we click on randomize, save. As you can see, working perfectly. Let's give it a minute to finish randomizing. But we are almost ready, guys. I know it seems like a lot, but it's super easy, super easy. It only takes about 10 to 15 minutes. And after this, all you have to do, when you run out of files, come back here, load settings. You will click here. Let me show you. You will open ROM. Let me show how you should do this. Load settings, and as you can see, now it's saved. And you only have to click on randomize save, and it will do 25 more or 400 more. So pretty easy. Everything is done. We're gonna close this. Thank you, sir. And as you can see, we have the files now ready. You can see this is the GBA and this is the log. So we have the logs ready. And yeah, guys, we are almost ready. So we have emuhawk. We will open. We will load for the first time. We are gonna load the tracker. What are we gonna do? Tools. Lua console. We're gonna go to script. Open script. We're gonna click on Ironmon tracker. Ironmon tracker. Pretty easy, pretty straightforward. Everything is done. Now, file, open ROM. This is the only time you have to do this is this time. You're gonna go to desktop, to FireRed files. You're gonna click on random 1 GBA. There we go. It's open. It says attempt 204315. That's how much attempt it took me to win. So if you want to see it, check in the link I'm gonna give you. I'm gonna pin the winning run. We won with that Stilix. That's all I'm gonna say. The rest is for you to watch. So, few cool things. We're gonna go before we start. Let's go over the tracker. First thing you have to do. Okay, this time we have to do date. We're gonna say prepare for update. Next time we initiate, it's gonna be updated. So cool thing, we have the tracker. First, setup. We don't need this. 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 So edit controls. That's the important thing here. This is what is called the fast reset. It's a combination of buttons you have to click for it to work. Then this is for changing from your Pokemon to the rival Pokemon. You're gonna press start. And this is to cycle or mark with the L or R button. So you're gonna save. And second part, we are gonna go to sound and disable. If you don't want to play, if you want to get the game to run faster, I recommend personally 400 speed. When you are comfortable, if you are just starting, go to 200 or 300 maybe. When you are comfortable, 400 is the best speed. You have total control. You don't go you don't need more than that. If you want to go faster, you can, but I recommend 400. So we're gonna disable the volume because when you speed up, it's gonna make some horrible noises. So click on disable. Then we will go to configuration. Controllers. If you're using a controller, you're gonna set up like this. You're gonna set up every key in your controller, or if you are using the keyboard, you're gonna go with this. You're gonna have this. For example, I use increase speed and decrease speed because sometimes you want to go slow. Like if you want to see how to survive poison, if you get poison, you will see here. Some quick things. And I forgot to mention, in the controller you can also use here, instead of the controller, you can use your keyboard. Like you can here click instead of this, you can click up instead of this. So you can also change that. Yeah, so next thing, we are back to this extras. Here you can view the log. Don't do this until you lose. Or you can see the previous log, like imagine you should reset. Oh, I forgot to check if conduct was good. So you will go to this. This will take you to the immediately previous log. So my cat just jumped in my lap. Hello, baby. So this is mark the bomb, display repel, display pedometer. You can also click this if you want, but I don't recommend it. Show random ball picker. Yes, if you are following what tracker says to pick the ball. Then in gameplay, you can change some of the things. I haven't changed anything. Maybe you don't want to swap to the enemy. this is important to have. Show move effectiveness, show physical special, so you know what you are using. Next, for quick load, this is important. You want to set the one we just made in desktop. You're gonna change this FireRed red files. So that's the one we do. You're gonna click on the random 2, and this will, when you fast reset, it will directly open the next file and so on. You can also generate ROM batch time. I don't recommend this. Some people use it. I like to have my logs ready to be seen whenever I want. Next, you have tip. You can change how it looks. Let's see. You can check how it looks. There we go. Text shadow, show color bar. You can also make your own if you want. Then we go to data. And this is not important, but sometimes you want to clear data. If something is messing with your new files, you might want to clear data. Then on stats, you will see some cool stuff. Right now, it's not showing, but this is a new thing, so it didn't record what I did before. Next, streaming attempt count. We are gonna say we are gonna restart. We are gonna start on 1. You can get a new welcome message. This is from the last race. Waterfire Electric that we had with DK, Rory, and Yote. And here you can choose, if you click on the mon, you can choose the favorites. Like say we want Umbreon as a fave. There we go. And we are going to Electabuzz there. Then you have extensions that there are not much thing to be. You have help that will redirect you to Discord. And yeah, that's everything. That's everything, guys. So we are ready to start playing. Let's go. We're gonna press start. So this changed from the last time. We are gonna go directly to mom. And now look, this item was before in the PC. Now it's here. So we pick the item. We go left. Let's go left. Ooh, nice. Vaporeon. Ooh. I might just run this for fun, you know. I might just run this for fun. So yeah, you pick them on. Hello Firo, Subcanon, but remember, ooh, that might hurt. And just like that, we are dead. Let's retrade the battle so I don't. I mean, this is a good runner. I mean, this is wow. So it was a speed tie. Interesting. Okay, so now we won. Interesting, right? That's Kaizo, guys. That's Kaizo. So yeah, we are out of the lab now. Trick, that's terrible. But I mean, we have so many illegal moves. So many illegals. But I wanted to show you how the early game is now. We have a great runner, by the way. Okay, so you're gonna work in the grass. Magneton, interesting. Now this guy is stationary, so he won't walk and he won't just teleport somewhere. I don't know how. But that's what he does now. We got the level 6, interesting. And now look, he waits for you here. And he goes back. Then we go down. And now look at Oak. He's gonna be here. See? So before you have like you don't have these animations. You just have like the skip it. It's just skip it. Now we have an animation, which is, I mean, it's really nice. So let's get the first few items. Let's get the first few items and get a full restore. You know, if you plan this. By the way, this is one of the new challenges. She is gonna heal you unless you are poisoned. If you are poisoned, she's not gonna heal you. But it's a nice change, so you don't have to go all the way back to heal. Okay, we have Torkoal. Next ball. Grumpy. I mean, this is a nice file. This Vaporeon is nice, but we only have one move, so let's see if we can pass the first trainer. This is the first trainer, by the way. Metapod, I mean, as long as we hit. By the way, if you press select on the move, you can move it anywhere you want. So we hit the Subcannon. Let's see if we hit again. Oh, we are lucky. We hit again. So the first run seems to be going awesome. Now she heals. See, now we are healed. We don't need to go all the way back. And I want to show you something else that has changed. And it's gonna go here. This is another item. Look, this is one of the changes. You can see here, this is the mark that a hidden item is there. So now you don't need the map. You need the map to move through the game, but you don't need the map for the hidden items. Now you can see them right there. A pretty cool change in my opinion. It will help people just starting. You don't have to be so penny on the map. You're gonna choose them there. So pretty cool change. I actually, when I saw it, I loved it. So yeah, let's go for the next trainer. I'm not gonna go much longer. I mean, we are gonna miss at some point. No, bro, we are cheating right now. We are born. Okay, yeah. Okay, see, that's how it ends. Now we're gonna press A plus B and start, and as you can see, it opens a new one. By the way, if you press here, you can say if you want the same one to appear every time. That's why I changed. I love Omron, so I make Omron appear there every time. So that's it, guys. That is it. This is the new version. The outdated version was having some troubles. So now, guys, this is the faster way to start playing Kaizo Ironmon, the fastest way to reset. So happy playing, subscribe and like for more, and I will see you in the next one. We are playing Ultra Kaizo, we are playing her goal, so make sure to check out the upcoming streams. Love you guys and thank you for attention. Bye, have fun playing. Love you.